Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the silent mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the crown button, like this, then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, scroll up by swiping down on the screen, find the sound icon, and to enable the silent mode, simply tap on the sound icon 2 times. Basically, you need to tap on it a couple of times until you see the option called silent. That means that the silent mode is enabled now. And to disable the silent mode, simply tap on the icon again to select different mode you like. You have silent, sound, and vibration. Okay, you can also enable the silent mode another way. To do it, we need to open the settings. So let's scroll even more up in the quick panel, tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called sound and vibration, tap on it, and here scroll down until you find the mute option. And to enable the silent mode, simply tap on the switch next to mute, like this. And to disable it, you can tap on the switch again. If you enable it right here and go back to the quick panel, the icon will change to silent mode. And you can also disable it by tapping it on this icon. And that's how you enable the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.